This is our universe. It is bigger than anything we can imagine. It has billions of stars, planets, and galaxies. For thousands of years, humans looked at the sky and asked one question: what is out there? Long ago, before telescopes and rockets, ancient people watched the stars. The Babylonians studied the night sky and made star charts. The Egyptians used the stars to build pyramids and make calendars. The Greeks gave names to planets and constellations. They noticed that some bright stars moved differently. They called them planets, which means wanderers. For many years, people believed that Earth was the center of the universe. They believed the sun and planets moved around Earth. But in the 1500s, a scientist named Nicolaus Copernicus had a different idea. He said the sun is at the center and Earth moves around the Sunday. This idea was shocking at that time. Later, Galileo Galilei used a telescope to look at space. His telescope was very simple compared to modern ones, but it helped him see mountains on the moon. He also saw 4 moons moving around Jupiter. This proved that not everything moves around Earth. It was a big change in science. After that, scientists improved telescopes. They discovered more planets. Uranus was discovered in 1781. Neptune was discovered in 1846. Scientists also learned that stars are like our Sunday. They are not small lights, they are giant balls of hot gas. Stars are born. They live for millions or billions of years, and then they die. Some stars explode in a powerful explosion called a supernova. When a star explodes, it spreads elements into space. These elements help create new stars and planets. Even the elements inside our bodies were once inside stars. In the 1900s, humans wanted to travel to space. Scientists built rockets. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1. It was the first satellite in space. It was small, but it changed history. It started the space age. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space. He orbited Earth and returned safely. The world was amazed. Then in 1969, astronauts from the United States landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. He said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." It was one of the greatest moments in human history. Today, we have space stations. Astronauts live and work in space for months. We have powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope. These telescopes show us beautiful pictures of galaxies and nebulae. Now let us talk about our solar system. The sun is at the center. It gives us light and heat. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sunday. It is very hot during the day and very cold at night. Venus is very bright in the sky, but it is extremely hot. It has thick clouds and toxic gases. Earth is our home. It is the only known planet with life. It has water, air, and the perfect temperature. Mars is called the red planet. Scientists believe Mars once had water. Today, robots explore Mars to search for signs of life. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is so large that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. It has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. The rings are made of ice and rock. Uranus rotates on its side. It is very cold and far from the Sunday. Neptune is the farthest planet. It has very strong winds. But our solar system is only a small part of something bigger. Our solar system is inside a galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way has billions of stars, and there are billions of galaxies in the universe. Scientists discovered that the universe is expanding. This means galaxies are moving away from each other. This started with a huge event called the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. Space also has mysterious objects called black holes. A black hole has very strong gravity. Nothing can escape from it, not even light. Another mystery is dark matter. Scientists believe most of the universe is made of dark matter and dark energy, but we cannot see them. We only know they exist because of their effects. Even today, space exploration continues. Rockets travel to Mars. Space telescopes search for new planets outside our solar system. These planets are called exoplanets. Some may have conditions for life. In the future, humans may live on Mars. We may travel deeper into space. We may discover new forms of life. From ancient sky watchers to modern astronauts, humans have always been curious. We always want to explore and understand. Space is not just empty darkness. It is full of history, science, and mystery. And maybe, one day, we will answer the biggest question of all. Are we alone in the universe? The journey of space exploration is not finished. In fact, it has only just begun.